Remember, the video description and first comment have links to upcoming workshops and courses. Challenge: strengthen your digestive system using the Yuen method. The digestive system is vital for our body, absorbing nutrients from the food we eat. This strengthening helps with digestive issues like diarrhea, constipation, and other related conditions. Besides this energy work, eat mindfully. Your body needs nutrients, water, and good habits for best results. Listen to this strengthening until you feel your digestion is working properly. I also suggest pairing this with the metabolism boost and body detox challenges. I'm Rocio Santibanez, a Yuen method instructor. If you find this helpful, please share, like, and comment to help reach more people. It really makes a difference in spreading the word. If you're interested in studying the Yuen method, check the description for WhatsApp or Telegram links to upcoming dates. Let's clear the mind from every atom, cell, molecule, and quantum particle in your body. We'll erase it fully and permanently, sending its effects to other universes, dimensions, time, space, and cosmic unknowns. Now, let's remove any resistance to releasing the mind from your body. We'll be strong and neutral to achieve results, ensuring they come quickly or slowly, at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time, erasing all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll fill the digestive, respiratory, and reproductive systems with neutral, forgiving, and accepting energy at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with finite time. We'll erase the misinformation, perception, and interpretation you have about the digestive process in general and your own digestive process. Everything from within and outside you will erase to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Will erase the cumulative effect of your negligent behavior or lack of proper knowledge about nutrition and your body's reactions. We erase all damage and effects to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time infinitely. Let's separate diseases from memories and those from moods. We'll divide diseases, yours, others, from ancestral energy, your experiences and character. We erase all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Now let's separate emotions, sensations, and reactions. We clear out emotions stuck in the digestive system. We erase traces of hate, resentment, anger, rage, sadness, fear, wrath, anxiety, guilt, pain, hurt, nervousness, suffering, and more, plus their combinations from your reproductive, respiratory, and digestive systems. Let's strengthen you to fully release, erase, and forget all these emotions with infinite potential 100% of the time. We'll separate the digestive, reproductive, and respiratory systems. We'll erase all weaknesses in each system and their combinations completely and infinitely. We'll balance and stabilize them, strengthening them fully and permanently. We'll strengthen the enteric nervous system. We'll reinforce the nerves within the walls. of the gastrointestinal tract. It strengthens enteric nerves to release substances that regulate food movement and digestive juice production as the body needs. It strengthens nerves to signal gut muscles, controlling efficient contraction and relaxation to move food through the intestines. We optimize absorption and transport of proteins, fats, carbs, vitamins, minerals, water, and other nutrients. We boost the digestive system to break down nutrients into small absorbable parts for energy, growth, and cell repair. We enhance proteins to break down into amino acids. We strengthen fats to break down into fatty acids and glycerol. We strengthen carbohydrates to break down into simple sugars. 100% potential, 100% of the time, with infinite possibilities. Let's strengthen the large intestine for water absorption. We fortify digestion's waste products to form solid feces, enhancing the body's ability to eliminate these feces. 100% potential, 100% of the time, with infinite possibilities. Now let's focus on digestive nerves and hormones. We eliminate weaknesses in each and their combinations. 0 to infinity, 100% of the time, with endless potential. We balance, center, and strengthen these processes. We boost cells lining the stomach and small intestine to release digestive hormones. Strong hormones signal the body when to produce digestive juices and accurately tell the brain if hunger exists or not. We eliminate the brain's confusion between hunger and cravings at 0, 100% of the time, infinitely. Strong pancreatic hormones ensure proper digestion. We link the central nervous system with the digestive system bidirectionally, from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front, front to back, at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. Will separate mouth, salivary glands, esophagus, liver, gallbladder, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, appendix, rectum, and anus. We separate and remove weaknesses, balancing them to be centered, equilibrated, and stable. We'll also erase past traumas, both physical and non-physical. We detoxify dead and dying cells, fungi, viruses, parasites, and their waste, bacteria, drugs, toxins, and metals. We send them to the lymphatic system, strengthening channels, ducts, fluids, centers, and nodes to 100% potential all the time. Strengthen the mouth for proper chewing of food. Strengthen the esophagus for peristalsis. Strengthen the stomach to allow food entry. Strengthen the lower muscle to mix food with digestive juices. Strengthen stomach acid and digestive enzymes. Strengthen the small intestine for peristalsis. Strengthen the digestive juices in the small intestine. Strengthen the pancreas and pancreatic juice. Strengthen the liver and bile production. Strengthen the large intestine for peristalsis. Strengthen gut bacteria to break down food chemically. All this at 100% potential, all the time, infinitely. Strengthen the cavities of hollow organs in the GI tract, mouth, esophagus, stomach, intestines, and anus. Also strengthen solid digestive organs, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. Strengthen all 3 parts of the small intestine, duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. We strengthen the large intestine, including the appendix, cecum, colon, and rectum. full 100% infinite potential 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's eliminate appendix weaknesses and strengthen its connection to the cecum. We boost the microbiome to optimal levels, 100% infinite potential all the time. We strengthen nerves, hormones, bacteria, blood, and digestive organs. Enhance digestion of food and liquids, both together and separately. We erase individual and collective weaknesses, balancing and stabilizing them. We'll strengthen you for sameness and difference, change and stillness, perception and non-perception. Strengthen your ability to feel, perceive, and sense physical and non-physical improvements. We'll strengthen the dynamics, boundaries, and vertices of each geometry we've worked on. We're also reinforcing these geometric foundations in your body, both overall and individually. This includes the geometric bases of your digestive, reproductive, and respiratory systems at 100% infinite potential all the time with infinite time. We'll remove all weaknesses and obstacles that hinder or block this strengthening process to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. All right, tell me, do you feel the same or different?